Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a two-factor authentication in Payoneer. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Payoneer application or go to Payoneer website from a browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the top right corner you can see your profile icon. Click on it. Then click to Settings. From here you can see your security settings. Click on Security Settings option. There you can see two-step verification. From here add on two-step verification. Then your two-factor authentication will be activated. This is how you can activate two-factor authentication in Payoneer. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.